Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1, 2, 3 countings. Brown color, black color, light blue color, dark blue color, orange color, red color, pink color and light yellow color. One, O-N-E, one. Two, T-W-O, two. Three, T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, F-O-U-R, four. Five, F-I-V-E, five. Six, S-I-X, six. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine. 10, T-E-N, 10. 1, green color, 1. 2, purple color, 2. 3, brown color, 3. 4, yellow color, 4. 5, red color, 5. 6, orange color, 6. Pink color, 7. Sky blue color, 8. Light blue color, 9. Dark yellow color, 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.